Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, open your Microsoft Store. Okay. So once you're here, search for Microsoft 365, this one. Okay, so let's just wait for this one. And what you need to find is the free one right here. As you can see, you don't need to pay in order to get this application. So now just go ahead and click on the Get button. Okay, so I'm just gonna type my password because you need to sign in first to your email or Gmail account. Okay, so now it is starting to download. Okay, so let's just wait for this one. So once it is done installing, what you need to do is to click on the open button right here. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and full screen it. So now just go ahead and click on this install apps button right here under the home section. Okay, so now go premium with Microsoft 365 to install the latest premium apps on your PC or Mac. Okay, so we don't need that, so let's just go ahead and click on this one or the Excel. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on this and then now click on blank workbook so that you can start creating your project. Okay, or if you want to create anything. Okay, so now you can start using Excel without paying for anything. Okay, so if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.